Oh yeah, we are back, people. They love us. The show is back on. New space for the show. New era has begun. New space for the show. New era has begun.
Howard, the intern office is pissed that we put an intern in an unsafe filming environment. So we have one intern left, and after that, no more.
Who would leave this success?
You remember Francesca, right?
Hi, Howard.
Oh my gosh, you're my favorite ever.
And Howard, I'd like you to meet, I actually don't think I got your name.
I am an agent with the Extra Information Organization. You may refer to me by my call sign, AEIO.
You?
Excuse me?
AEIOU? Get it? Really? Like, no one's ever made that joke to you before? It seemed kind of obvious to me.
Howard, the agent is here to help enforce the rules that we agreed to restart the show officially.
Rules? We don't need any rules. What are you writing down?
Well, he's just here to let us know if you say anything that's, problematic.
Problematic? Me? No, seriously, what are you writing down?
Let's just start this show. Howard, this is Jasmine, and she's today's guest.
He's not gonna stand there, is he?
Turn the shot. Well, looks like he's gonna stand there. Okay, Howard, it's fine. Let's just start the show. Ready? Camera?
Speeding.
Sound?
Speeding. Semple's Words, Episode 9, Take 1, Mark.
Action.
Welcome back to Semple's Words, people. As the immortal song goes, fight the power. What's he doing?
I think that means you can't say that, Howard. Is that right? Okay, Howard, why don't you just say something else?
How about a different song lyric?
I got a bucket and a mop. I fought the law and the law won. Would you stop breathing in my ear? It's so warm.
Howard, why don't we just skip to Jasmine's question? Jasmine, can you let us know what your problem is?
Well, I just started working for a faculty member as a research assistant, and I got assigned to help a graduate student. But he's super busy, and I'm never sure what I'm supposed to do.
Oh, well, when you talk to him, what does he say?
Well, he speaks super fast, and he uses all this jargon that I don't understand. And I don't want to keep asking him because I feel like I should know. And he ends conversations by asking if I have any questions, but he's already walking away. So I just say no. He never responds to emails, and when I asked my faculty member a question, she told me to check in with my mentor. I just feel like I'm not cut out for research.
Oh, don't say that. No. You're just in a bad situation. You got to remember that most of the time graduate students really aren't trained in how to be good mentors. Plus, they're always really stressed about doing their own work, trying to finish their own degrees. This is a classic case where some mentoring up is in order.
What's mentoring up?
Well, mentoring up is about clearly articulating your needs to your mentor so that way they know how to help you, often teaching them how to be a better mentor in the process. So in your case, for example, what we need to do is get your mentor's attention. So let's hide all of his research.
Jasmine, I think what Howard means is that, this is usually the part where we come in. Can we say anything?
So hide all of his research, maybe burn some of it. What are you doing? Do you have to go to the bathroom? What is happening?
I think they're trying to tell you what to say, like charades.
Oh my gosh, I'm so good at charades. You're making a sandwich. You're comparing sandwiches. You're giving each other sandwiches for Hanukkah. What's up with all the sandwiches?
You want me to schedule a time to meet with my mentor?
We are so good at this. Okay, so then what you need to do is tell him that he's fired. And then... Oh, you're throwing up. Oh, you're throwing up because you ate too many sandwiches. You're mad at her for overeating, because that's a terrible thing to do. You don't want that.
You want me to explain my experiences to him? I guess I could tell him that I'm new, so I don't understand everything yet. Yeah, that's a good idea. And he'll probably remember what it was like when he first started out, too.
Gosh, we make a great team. So finally, just tell him your demand. Say to make it up to you, he's got to buy you coffee for a month or something like that. Oh, you're Santa. You're Santa making a list. Oh, you're both Santa. Wait, there's two Santas? What happened to the sandwiches?
We're both happy doing research together now? No?
Santa's really mad at you because you snuck downstairs and looked at the presents before Christmas.
You're creating a mentoring plan with your mentor where you outline your expectations for one another and how you're going to communicate again in the future.
Anything else?
You should write all your questions down in one place. Maybe a separate document with shared access with your mentor. And you should schedule a meeting to go over those questions. And you should ask your mentor if they're comfortable with you recording the meeting so you can listen back to anything that's too confusing or too fast.
I can do that. This was really helpful. Thank you.
Well, that wraps up another episode of Semple's Words, where we take complex problems and I figure out the simple solutions. Thanks, everybody. See you next time. That was great. I think I'm going to go get a sandwich.
And sometimes why?